How can we score 800 out of 800 marks in your digital set examination? Are you still confused about this hack? How can we solve any mathematics question within 10 to 20-second time period? But how I can? So don't worry, you are on the right way. Hello everyone, welcome to the world's most precious mathematics YouTube channel, Tengauriya Concept. And here Yash Vardhan Tengauriya, the CEO and founder of the YouTube channel Tengauriya Concept. So today we are going to discuss about the world's most precious examination, SAT, Digital Set Examination. Scholastic assessment test. Firstly, we are going to discuss about just some basic ideas and basic knowledges about the set examination. So mainly set examination conducted in the two domains and 7 to 8 times in yearly. So what the main domain is, what the first domain is your English comprehension where reading and writing section, and the second domain is your mathematics, and this is what which we have mainly discussed about the feel the concept of mathematics. Okay, so the total weightage of both domains are equal, both have 800 and 800 equal marks. So we mainly discussed about the mathematics, and I am your mathematics mentor. So first of all, so mathematics part divided into some topics like algebra and functions, advanced mathematics, geometry and trigonometry, grid in questions, no calculator and no calculations section. Okay. On the other hand, I want to just clear out some basic doubts about set examination, just a simple and basic acknowledgement. So first of all, what is set examination? Why do you take this? SAT means Scholastic Assessment Test. Are you planning to study abroad after your 12th, or you want to do your graduation from a top tier university? Then you must have to set a score. So this exam is mainly required for to take admission in a top tier university. It opened to the doors of the best global colleges. The SET exam has no passing marks. Everybody get minimum marks of 400, the basic marks. Also, you cannot fail in this examination because if you want to do nothing in your examination, also the exam give you 400 base marks. Also, there is no category wise cutoff distribution like any other exam. Each and every of the students get a score between 400 to 600 range. It's depend on the range score of the university which you want to take admission. So the minimum average marks to every student to get in a average university or college is what? 10502 1100 marks. And everybody students get a minimum range of 400 marks. And the average score range across sections 200 to 800. This is the average marks. And the top elite colleges, top 1%, if you want to take admission in that colleges, then you have to must the average score marks between 10502 1100. And if you want to get admission in a top tier university, then you must have your marks 1500 plus in the set examination. So in this video we are mainly discuss about only mathematics because our main target to get 800 out of 800 marks in the mathematics section. So first of all, your mathematics distribution like this: 35% blue color is represent your algebra, it's a very simple. 20% oranges of data analysis, it's also very simple. 35% pure advanced mathematics, just little confusing and too much anymore easy. 10% of your green, your geometry is easy to moderate. Now moving to the next page. Your total time for your mathematics portion is 70 minutes. You have two modules and total 44 mathematics question. Module 1 have 35 minutes with 22 maths questions, and module 2 have 35 minutes, also 22 maths problems. In this paper, in this examination, calculator are allowed for all questions. But here is a little and interesting fact about module 1 and module 2. So first of all, students, module 1 module 1 is a very simple, and module 1 just like similar to everyone. Module 1 has similar questions to the all the students in the examination, and more easy to moderate level. The main game changes after module 1. So students, just look at here. If you scored in module 1 like 22 math questions, if you do 15 plus or 20 correct questions in module 1, then the artificial intelligence behind the examination just change your module 2 system, because the artificial intelligence behind the examination just watching you, watching your ability, watching your aptitude. If you are genius or intelligent in the mathematics module 1, so according to your ability, module 2 is get tougher and more interesting. Tougher need not, but more interesting. And the language is theoretically interesting. So the module 2 decided by the artificial intelligence at the instant on your module 1 score. Every student get different module 2, and module 1 still remains the same likely to everyone, but module 2 just review your module 1 performance and just change itself. If your module 1 gets not much better, if you done 5 to 10 question in your module 1 just like a low score, then module 2 get easier, but your marks will be go down. Your marks does not increase if you do all the question is module 2 if your module 1 is not very good. So if you want to do a 100% score in your mathematics, always focus on the module 1. Try to solve 15 plus questions in module 1, and after this, according to your performance, the artificial intelligence set a creative, interesting module 2 for you and accept this challenge. If you solve the module 2 questions, has 22 out of, I think, 15 plus in this module, then it's a very good score. You score a very well. So, this is the actual game behind this, the modules. So, I hope you understand very well. Now, next, move to the next slide. Here, yes, time allocations guide maximize your set score. Your speed, simple pesometer to minimize or maximize your speed. This is a zero relaxed place, and your average speed to do per question is 95 seconds per question is your average speed. This is our target job. If your speed is above 120 seconds or more, this is your totally time waste. So you have to ignore the time waste reason. Our target is to just 95 seconds per question or 100 seconds per question on an average to per students. So timing is very, very most important. So how can you improve your timing? Practice more and more questions. Don't worry, we are here. Now, master set module specific strategies. So however, I already explained you module 1 strategy, solve 30 seconds, solve one question in 30-second average time period. Instant recall and fast calculation, it's a easy and moderate to all the students. The game changing is your module 2 strategy. Save 60 minutes for hard problems. This is a, I hope this is a typo error. There is no 60 minutes. Here we have only 35 minutes. Manage time buffer. So module 2 is the game changing. Half on the performance on your module 1. I already explained about this now. The next slide is your one question is equals to 14 to 15 marks. Yes. In your set examination, there is no specific number decided to your each question and marks. The marks distributed according to the toughness and the strength of your question. If your question is easy, then you have to get some marks. And if your question are much interested or much tougher, then you get similar to 14 to 50 marks from your according to your question level. Now, easy questions gives normal marks, but heavy marks dedicated if wrong. Yes. Hard questions gives high bonus marks if correct. Yes. I already told you. Now, start preparation pathway unlock your potential. First of all, module 1, 22 max level questions, algebra and problems, introduction to math like this. Start from you here and try to solve. Now, this is the game changer scoring. Set AI adaptive scoring algorithm step by step flowchart. This is your AI algorithm score. If your performance moderate to module 1, then you will elected for best and interested and tougher module 2 examination. If data insight weakness or needs practice, identify weakness and your 14 or less performance, then the AI algorithm give you very easy and very low level question in your module 2. After this, your score will you will get easy questions in your module 2. Then your score never gets high. Your score always below down 650 or 600. Even if you are doing all the correct questions in module 2. So don't be afraid. Always try to get solve each and every question slightly and correctly in module 1 to get precious and most interesting questions in module 2. Our target is to what? 15 plus right answers in module 1 and module 2 to get average score. Now, set adaptive pathway level completed. Yes, current is advanced level. Hard track unlocked, target our 700 to 800. New challenge await, pave your way to elite scores. Now this is your module 2. This is a much tougher than module 1 according to our performance in the module 1. I already told about you this. This is the totally game changing module. Module 2 is the very most important. Now, critical warning. Score potential cap in place. Requires high score. 15 plus right answer in module 1 to unlock hard track. Yes, I repeatedly many times. Your module 2 is a game changer. You have to just write 15 plus right answer in module 1 to unlock your hard track. If you can't this, then you unlock your easy track. If you one time you unlock your easy track in module 2, then you will achieve your marks above 700 or 600. You always go down. So try to solve 15 plus right answers in module 1 to unlock your harder track and accept the challenge. Mathematics is more interesting. So your score always restricted between 600 and 650. So this is the limited questions. Identify weakness to progress and level locked. Call potential. This is a dangerous stage. So now transform your preparation logic overload. Yes. So you have to don't memorize Rattama formula. You just need to Tengauriya's approach. This is Tengauriya concept solve via logic. Now, dynamic graphing calculator. Yes, I try to solve your each and every question with the help of graphical method and also a graphical calculator to show you what actually happens is your problem. Our target is not just to revise the concepts and theories and memorizing theories, theoretical concepts. No, our target is to just solve the question, solve any question in 5 to 10 seconds with the logical approach. Students, if you get one time interested with our lectures, then I will promise you, you will never face any kind of problem in your mathematics. Because many of the students think mathematics just only about numbers, theorems, and many more complexities. No, feel the mathematics practically with the real life events. Proven, I have a lot of experience in the field of mathematics, and lakhs of students, thousands of students just feel mathematics with the help of me and my lectures. So don't worry about your exam and don't worry about concepts. Our approach is very simple and less time taken. You just solve any of the question in your set examination 10 to 20 seconds, max to max. Minimum is 5 seconds enough to solve any kind of question. So don't worry. Now next move to the next slide. Know your educator set math syllabus. We have covered the topics algebra, geometry, advanced level mathematics and data analysis. So first of all, our sessions completely free only on YouTube. So if you are watching new to my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe. First of all, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and weekly I will provide 5 sessions in a week. Monday to Friday and Saturday, Sunday will be off. So don't worry. New educator, this is Yash Vardhan Tengauriya, founder of Tengauriya Concept, 5 years of teaching experience. Now, so our target is to what? Digital set examination 800 out of 800 within 5 seconds. So don't worry. We will provide you feeling wali class because Mathematics is not subject only about numbers, theorems, and complexities. It's just only about feeling. You just feel every each and every concept of mathematics. Don't worry. Trust me, guys. So, set examination math syllabus. You already know about this. Algebra, inequality, linear equations, function systems, advanced maths, quadratic equations, exponential functions, polynomials, data analysis, ratio, percentage, probability, data interpolation, area, volume, coordinate geometry, and basic trigonometry. Don't worry. Very, very easy topics. Set algebra and geometry detailed guide. So we have already discussed about this. Linear equations, y is equals to mx plus b, slope, intercepts, real world models, multi-step inequalities, solving, graphing solutions, set system of equations, substitution, elimination, graphical solution, function notation, triangle properties, area, volume, coordinate geometry, geometric trick. You just screenshot this. Don't worry. Set data science, advanced mathematics, yes, advanced equation system, data modeling functions, statistical reasoning, probability and trigonometry. Don't worry, very easy topics. So, digital set exam, your path to college success. Yes, data modeling, the power of graphing, visualize and solve critical reason and systems, time management and achievement insights. So, this is from my side. So, your demo lecture I will provide you tomorrow, and very, very soon your class is scheduled. So don't forget to subscribe us, guys. Really, trust me, guys, this channel is very, very helpful for you. I will try to my best and I will try to feel every and each concept of mathematics in very simple manner. I just forget memorization and forget learning the concept. No, just simple common sense and logical approach to solve each kind of question. So trust me, guys, don't forget to subscribe. So see you soon in our next demo session on the mathematics. So I hope you enjoy the session. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.